Yep, this is real. A crash test by Operation Lifesaver showing a train obliterating a school bus to warn people about railroad crossing dangers. They staged it to reveal just how deadly one mistake can be. In Goose Creek, South Carolina, a CSX train barreled into a tank being hauled by a truck at a railroad crossing. Luckily, no one was hurt. The collision sent debris flying, underscoring how even low-speed crossing errors can spark major chaos. In North Miami Beach Wednesday morning, a Brightline train smashed into a car, and one person ended up in the hospital. Officials say the collision serves as a stark reminder. Trains can't stop on a dime, and crossing safety can be a matter of life or death.
Whoa!
A dashcam in Moore, Oklahoma captured pure chaos. 22 train carriages suddenly tipping over like dominoes. Officials say a mechanical failure caused it. In a shocking failure, a UTA frontrunner train tore through a FedEx semi-trailer after the crossing arms and lights failed, and no serious injuries were reported. It's a miracle no one was hurt. In Palmetto, Georgia, a truck got stuck at a dangerous crossing near Johnson Circle and Highway 29. And seconds later, a train obliterated it. Thankfully, the driver escaped unharmed. But this wreck is your daily reminder. Never gamble with train tracks.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
In Opal, Zacatecas, two massive trains, 4004 and 4044, collided head-on in a brutal crash caught on camera. The impact was devastating, and viewer discretion is advised. This one's not for the faint of heart. The mighty SD40 roars to life with a powerful engine startup, ready to haul heavy loads across the rails. Feel the raw diesel power as this workhorse wakes up and shakes the ground beneath. Union Pacific's 844, the living legend roars through the plains at 75 miles per hour, showcasing steam power at its peak. Near Thackerville, Oklahoma, a freight train slammed into a semi-truck loaded with cars, and the impact was explosive. This shocking Friday crash left metal scattered like toys on the tracks. In Aledo, Texas, just outside Fort Worth, a freight train collided with an 18-wheeler stuck on the tracks Sunday.
Oh my God. Oh, it's derailing. Yo, it's going off the road.
In Haverstraw, New York, a train plowed into a tractor-trailer stopped on the crossing Thursday, a terrifying impact caught in real time. The collision shredded the trailer and halted rail service, a stark lesson. Never ignore warning signals at crossings.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
In Oakland Thursday morning, an Amtrak train en route from Seattle to Los Angeles collided with a utility truck on the tracks, and chaos erupted. The crash derailed equipment and shut down service, reminding us once again that tracks are no place for stopped vehicles. A reckless driver blasts through the crossing, ignoring every warning only to face disaster. Some lessons hit like a train, literally. Big Boy 4014 unleashes raw power in Harriman, Wyoming as wheel slip, whistle blasts, and running gear roar in stunning 4K. Magbazar Railgate, Dhaka. A train plows through a vehicle at the crossing in this intense 2009 footage. Captured by ATN, the clip shows how quickly routine turns to disaster when caution is ignored. Insane wheel slip. On the WNYNP Railroad in Oil City, Pennsylvania, wheels spin wildly, struggling for traction. Watch the raw power unleashed as this locomotive fights to grip the slick rails and push forward. TEM2 locomotive struggles hard as wheel slip takes over. The engine just can't find its grip. Watch this battle of raw power versus traction in a fight that keeps the rails shaking. No one's hurt, but his Louis Vuitton shoe, it took off like it had first-class tickets to Paris.
Ah!